Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Rengkat lang bat kari barok kawai ka jelam Meghalaya haka arpusan terik ukalalengkot arajar arpo kalaraki ya ka sengi bakerpang jonggi nong tap vote ni ya ka bala tipru haka tin nong wei kum ka National Voters Day. Haka ni ka jingrakhi bala penbit penbiang da katanat election jong ka sarkar jela labu ru ya ka pang pedeng ka ba cringe pang ka jing pen snguthu ya ka hok tap vote kenang banwan ra ya ka jing sen syar pat ba ka ba klain hapok kari. Dagi spangut kisamla gibedang syuyo ya ka electoral photo identity card hadian bakila kenjo khat prasnem kila wani shimenta hakani gasngi hakabala pensngu thu ya ka hok tap vote da chief electoral officer ka sarkar jalla uba Frederick Roy Kharkongor ubalong ukongsan harengkat ka jingi don langru ka deputy commissioner ka East Khasi Hills district ka kong Mat Siudor War Nongbri bat kiwei ki officer jong katanat penyait election bat naga district. Katanat election jong sarkar jalla hakani gasngi kala samru yaki khusnam shagi block level officer ki pala job hadu shispa nak shispa ban penrung kerteng tap vote yaki pajba nong shong shnong hagi district baper.
20 years ago, the election commission was set up. It was established as an autonomous body that would oversee and supervise the world's largest democracy, the most robust democracy, and 70 years down the line, several innovations and several milestones have taken place. As you will see in that standee here, right from the introduction of the EPIC cards to introduction of EVMs and VVPATs to the introduction of the ELCs, the various electoral literacy clubs. I'm also happy to share with you that today at the state level function, we inaugurated the state ELC corner. It should have been a center, but we didn't have enough space. So we have a room that is filled with various election paraphernalia and that tries to replicate the workings of a polling station. Inside that particular ELC corner, it has various activities and games and various informations as well as exhibits which are all around the ELC corner to help and to familiarize all the young and future voters about electoral process. E2E is basically from enrollment to elections. When we talk about the electoral process, the electoral management, it arises, it starts, it begins, it commences first and foremost with enrollment of the voter in the electoral roll, with the registration in his name, of his name, for which the BLO plays a very important role. As we've seen in the skit just now, and also other speeches, the BLO is indeed the backbone, the first interface between the voter and the election process, because once the Form 6 is filled up through the help of the BLO, then the voter begins his journey into becoming a full-fledged citizen who is entitled to vote. And it of course culminates on the election day when the voter is able to exercise his adult franchise. It's so important to have an EPIC card and to have the right to vote, because only then can you consider to be a full citizen. You may be able to buy property, you may be able to start business, you may be able to reside in a place, but only a genuine citizen has the right to vote. It is only the right to vote, the right to choose your leader, to participate on the election day, that defines the true citizen of a country. It's only a citizen. A citizen becomes a full-fledged citizen only when he or she has the right to vote. And in this endeavor, the Election Commission seeks to reach out to all sections, to all categories of people. That is why the overarching phrase that the Election Commission has is no voter to be left behind. So there has been concerted effort over the past few years, and even in the last parliamentary election and the assembly election before that, to ensure that maximum facilities are given, especially to people with disability, to make elections inclusive as well as accessible by provision of transport allowance, making of ramps, providing and arranging for poll volunteers to escort the people with disability so that they can come and vote with ease and with comfort, and also to give them priority voting. So all these measures, besides training for the various BLO and sign languages, and also enabling the presence of the ballot paper in, of the Braille ballot paper, of the Braille Epic card. So these are some of the measures which have been taken to ensure that there is inclusive as well as accessible elections. Apart from that, we also reach out to many young people. Quite a few of the young people today have come up here and got their epics for the first time because they turned 18. So these are measures in which we try to reach out to all the young people. I must congratulate the DC of East Khasiats that out of the 19 lakh odd population, electorate, about 5 lakhs plus are in fact here in East Khasiats district, which is the highest volume, the most voluminous, and they were able to complete the task of EVP much beyond the deadline. And that enabled the state to also reach in the top 10 as far as EVP is concerned. And we appreciate the team of the East Khasiats district and the BLOs who worked tirelessly and worked so hard.
So I have some work. Actually, I have lost my epic card.
Oh, you lost your epic card?
Yeah, so I don't know what to do. Shall I fill up the form?
No need to fill up your form. You just have to go to the police station, you file an FIR, and then they will give you the report. Then you take the report to DC's office and you will get back everything.
Oh, I am a laborer now. I have no time to go to the cities. So what?
Oh, you are a laborer. Oh, sorry, yes. No problem. I have come here to help you. So you just get the FIR report and you just give it to me and I'll get it for you.
Okay, thank you very much.
After all, I've come here to help the public here. I have to make sure to help you to ensure the clean electoral vote.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay. And by the way,
Yes, sir.
you remember all whatever I told you when I've come for that electoral literacy campaign?
Yes, sir. I know.
Please keep doing that.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay. No, come. Sit.
Kadang-kadang aku pergi jemputan itu, form 6, 7, 8, 8, 8. Kita aja di kelas pun yang nampak kenal, seperti bawa ke hotline. Tengah masuk hijab ada benda online itu, kadang susuk syukur ke offline. Dia yang berdoa pilih pun jemari nak dapat kelaskan.
Oh, tapi aku nak minta.
Mungkin belum ketemu mana kita mau orang susah ada dapat form ni. Belum ada. Ada di form.
bagi simkia yang ini kam bagi mi pada banyak terbuat ban le ko kita keraskan tek boleh bantu men kalau nggak ali nak tentang form M kan di bawah kata nol ayam di dah siapa ni ke form sa apa dah ikut topi tambah wan topi pai ikut topi sangat kenapa ni batai tinggi beda berkom terbuat berkan tinggi tinggi bersuatu berkan kamera tinggi bagi dia terbuat berapa bagi dia bermis dengan terbuat mo di sapai sana nak sa undang sapai tinggi kepada
Dah bersyukur dia tangan sepai ini dah form kat Islam kan.
अच्छा बोलो बोलो
सर हमको तू चाहिए तो सर
तू
सर तू आपका डिप्टी तो सर
क्या था डिप्टी
सर तू क्या बोलता सर तू इलेक्शन का भूत तो सर
इलेक्शन में भूत होता है क्या
तू भूत तो सर भूत
भूत या भूत भूत मतलब क्या वो भूत BWOTH वो तो भूत है भूत हानि के
हाँ सर
और आप क्या चाहिए आपको वोट चाहिए VOT वोट हारना है आपको
सर तू भूत भूत सर भूत
ये ना तो अच्छा
सर कुछ करो
आप एपिक बनता
हाँ सर
तो ऐसा बोलना
एपिक सर
ठीक है एपिक चाहिए तो आपको क्योंकि हमको थोड़ा डिस्कस करना है आपसे
हाँ।
कि कहाँ से क्या लगता है कुछ कागजा लगेगा सब कुछ लगेगा आप क्लियर तो वाह कुछ कागजा लगेगा
हाँ।
तो कागजा बताएगा आपको
ठीक है
सब कुछ अगर वो कागजा होगा आपका तो हम आपके लिए हम बहुत कर देंगे
ठीक है सर
ठीक है
ओके सर थैंक यू सर
अच्छा sir buka boleh dah kayak penting apa ada kaca boleh tapi kaca boleh tengok satu saya suruh kamu jadi macam
Hindi daw ka. Ako pala bakit kabut siya.
boleh ya di harga kabut sini kalau kamu kan mana
Jadi timur ko talaga kumenta.
tahu sendiri lah gila boleh cakap sekian semua itu dengan itu pun dari kita topi dia boleh sini semua kita semua bisa kedua yang masnam sim ka siti nang masnam pun cisya ba bisa itu apa itu jaga sah topi semua sa ai nào cũng gặp được đi học được biển của chúng tôi sao lại ăn mình là cầm đó
Belum kamu pertama.
muốn cầm sendiri kita kota
Kalau berani bebelah itu dia.
kita di sekolah kita kecuali kita orang masnam pan kita ka siti no
Berak itu sudah berak lain.
Menyerap, kalau menyerap tu sawan yang sedang dan seperpun mengajar di sini sahaja dan pelengkap ni akan juga tak cuma selain.
Kamu tahu? Bas.
Mau, sawan lagi ni. Kemana yang tu bijing batai tu lah di kumno ni berkabut, kita bentar berwarna yang ini ke berkelain yang bersencapa kan. Kenapa? Kalau demokrasi pada kaya electoral demokrasi pada skala demokrasi itu orang dia. Kita kasih yang berkelain dengan siapa bah. Dia berkelain dengan siapa bah. Kadang kali yang ki berkelain. Bapin mi syakmat boleh sebut si sebut. Makin tik kendera dan curang saat dia beriin. Kadang bapin sebut tak sebut. Bapin Siapa ni? Ni kata. Dia ada orang semua sedang mengelaksan yang berobat di tempat tempat kita tu berserai kita di bawah.
Saya melawan.
Ini macam mana kawan boy? Itu macam dia dan ini bapa batai ini siapa itu ibat nota. Ikan mana di nota?
Nota. Nota itu ka. Nak apa?
Gaya.
Nak apa?
Gaya nak masih apa? Kedai non nak dia apa?
Tahu?
Tahu ni mereka dia
Kapag nagkakawag pa, hindi rin ako nakanawa.
Terima macam ni ba? Undai macam buat, kalau mau buat tadi kawai, buat undai macam bisa, nado, makin lagi buat. Rumah balik, kemudian mesti. Undai macam bisa, ada Allah komik tu.
Ada.
Kan kita tu, kalau kita kita keluar kita zai. Jadi kamu ada?
Ada sih.
Kita kata.
My electoral data will not be deleted or modified without notifying me.
I left hassle-free. Now I can call 1950, verify my voter details.
Now, I can give inputs to make my polling station even more voter-friendly.
I am relaxed. Now I will get regular SMS alert about my electoral roll.
We are linked. Now our family can vote at one polling station.